Now that we are able to create the environment variable, we'll now go back to VS Code and then we'll start installing our packages for this project. But before we install our packages, we need to activate the environment that we created. So I'll navigate back. I used to separate my environment and project. So I'll navigate to my environment folder and now I can activate. So I need to specify the path to my environment. So my path is I'm using the relative path, so backslash. I'm in the environment folder, so I'll just say attendance. Then I need to do script. Then I need to do activate. Good. So now you can see from here, check the URL from here. First, I was in the C path. Now that I'm able to activate the environment, you can see that it's brought the environment before the C path. Now I can go back to my project, so I'll navigate back to my projects. Projects. Okay, let me do it this way. Navigate back to my projects. Then navigate to attendance. Navigate to backend because that's where we are writing the Python course. All right.